I am going to pull down the fire alarm. How can I not? Ha 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 ha. For science, for excitement, for freedom, for math.
Lockdown? What are you doing here? Why are you standing next to the alarm?
I was just standing here. But I was.
Lockdown. You have caused confusion and delay. You pulled a fire alarm when there was no emergency. That's a serious offense. That's it. I'm calling Optimus Prime. And Prowl.
Lockdown. I just got off the phone with Sir Topham. He told us, you pulled the fire alarm without a reason. Do you have any idea how dangerous and irresponsible that was?
But Optimus and Prowl. I was having fun.
That is not having fun, for the fire alarm. It was an emergency, services had been called.
You're grounded until Hoppers comes out. You will not to hang out with Megatron, Starscream, Stinger, and the rest of the Decepticons for 2 weeks. Go to your room and think about what you've done.
I hate that hedgehog.